The Wings of Fire, the story of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. In the small coastal town of Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu, in the year 1931, a humble boat owner named Jainalabdin and his kind-hearted wife Ashiama welcomed a child into the world. They named him Avul Pakar Jainalabdin Abdul Kalam. Little did anyone know that this child, born into modest means, would one day rise to become the 11th President of India and a guiding light for millions. From a very young age, Abdul Kalam was curious, intelligent, and deeply respectful of his elders. His father, though not highly educated, was wise and spiritual. He instilled in Kalam values of honesty, discipline, and self-respect. To support his family, young Kalam sold newspapers after school, never letting financial hardship affect his thirst for learning. He was a bright student, especially fond of mathematics and science. After completing school, he pursued a degree in physics at St. Joseph's College, Tiruchirappalli, and later, he studied aerospace engineering at the Madras Institute of Technology, MIT. During his time at MIT, Kalam had a dream: to fly, to build something that could touch the sky. That dream shaped his destiny. After graduation, he joined the Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, and later moved to the Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO. There, he played a pivotal role in India's first satellite launch vehicle, SLV-3, which successfully deployed the Rohini satellite into space in 1980. This was a proud moment for India and a major milestone in Kalam's career. But it was in the field of missile development where Kalam made his mark. As the chief of the Integrated Guided Missile Development Program, he led the development of missiles like Agni and Prithvi, earning him the nickname Missile Man of India. Kalam was not only a scientist but a visionary. He believed that science and technology should serve the common people. His dream was to make India self-reliant in defense and technology. Under his leadership, India also conducted successful nuclear tests in Pokhran in 1998, demonstrating the nation's scientific prowess. Despite his towering achievements, Dr. Kalam remained humble and deeply connected to young minds. He believed that children are the future of the nation and spent much of his time inspiring them. He wrote several books, the most famous being Wings of Fire, his autobiography, which continues to inspire generations. In 2002, he was elected as the President of India, with overwhelming support. As president, he lived simply, worked tirelessly, and was always ready to meet students, scientists, and citizens from all walks of life. His tenure was marked by dignity, intellect, and accessibility. He was lovingly called the People's President. Even after his term ended in 2007, Dr. Kalam continued to teach, write, and interact with students. He believed in the power of dreams and often said, "Dream is not that which you see while sleeping, it is something that does not let you sleep." On July 27, 2015, while delivering a lecture to students at Shillong, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam collapsed due to a cardiac arrest and passed away. True to his passion, he left the world while doing what he loved the most, teaching and inspiring young minds. His death was mourned across India and the world. But his legacy lives on, in the dreams of every child he inspired, in the hearts of every citizen he served, and in the advancements of the nation he helped build.